Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 4, permutation and combination, question number 5. Now there are 10 true-false questions in a quiz. How many ways are there to obtain different sets of answer if Ahmad answers the quiz randomly? Okay, that means for question number 1, Ahmad has 2 ways to answer the question. Okay, so therefore we have 2 ways, right? And followed by the second question, he has another 2 ways to choose the answer, so times 2. And the third question, also we have 2 ways to answer the question. All right, so 2 ways. So we are not looking for the number of ways to get the correct answer. We are finding the number of ways to get different set of answer if we answer randomly. That means we don't care true or false. So for question number 1, 2 choices, followed by second question, 2 choices, followed by third question, 2 choices. And this happened until we finish all 10 questions. So isn't it, we take 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 for 10 times. So when you multiply a number repeatedly, that will be index, can be written in terms of index, 2 to the power of 10. Therefore, 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. That's it. We found the answer for question number 5.